Hello, students. I hope you all are safe and home. I'll be reading out the corrections that you will be making in your geography notes of ninth standard, starting with chapter number 1, that is distributional maps, page number 1, that is points to remember. There is a spelling error. The spelling will be CHOROPLETH. Page number 5, question 5.3. Dharni, the spelling is DHARNI. Page number 6, which is a map based question. Again, a spelling check. The spelling is ANJANGAON. That is Anjangao Surji. SURJI. Page number 10, question number 12. This activity is from textbook, page number 8. Lastly, page number 11, objective, that is the first one. The correct answer is C. These were your corrections from chapter number 1. Moving ahead, that is to chapter number 2, endogenetic movements. Page number 18, question 3.1. Fold mountains, second point. You have to write, hilltops of fold mountains are not flat. Page number 26, question number 2, sub question 14. Correct answer is A. Page 26, question 2, sub question 15. Correct answer is B. Again, page 26. This is question number 2, sub question 16. The correct answer is A. Page number 26, question 4. Fifth question will be added. This is from chapter number 2. Moving ahead, chapter number 11, that is transport and communication. Page number 133, question number 8, that is objective. The correct answer is C. Page 133, question 3.2, sub question 2, services. Spelling is SERVICES. Page number 133, question 3, sub question 3.2. Spelling is BENGALURU. This is from chapter 11. Moving to chapter 12, that is tourism. Page number 138, map. The alignment is a bit different. So that will be, we will have to keep that in mind while solving. Page number 144, question 4. This is sub question 2 as well as sub question 4. For sub question 2, the spelling is MUSSOORIE, that is Masuri. And for sub question 4, the spelling is DARJEELING, EELING. This is Darjeeling. Page 141, fourth question, B, third point, Gujarat and Indian. Spelling will be GUJARAT and INDIAN. Page number 144, 5. Again, Darjeeling, DARJEELING. And lastly, page number 141, Kanyakumari, spelling KANYAKUMARI, Kanyakumari. These were the corrections from chapter 12. Moving ahead to chapter number 4, page 52. There is a correction in the first objective. The correct answer would be delta. Question 3, which is correct and rewrite incorrect statement. The spelling for wind should be WIND. Question 6, match the column. This is 5B is the correct answer. So instead of 5D, the correction will be made as 5B. Chapter 6, Properties of Seawater. Page 81. Match the column. I am telling you all the correct answers. First question, correct answer is option C. Second question, correct answer is option D. And third question, correct answer is option B. These were the corrections from chapter 6. Moving ahead to chapter number 5, that is precipitation. Page number 55. Concentric layers definition. Hail grows because of repeatedly upward movement of air. This happens quite a few times and forms hailstone. Page 58, question 3C, point 3 and point 4. This has to be added. Point 3 is the water droplets increase in size. And point 4, when they cannot float in the air anymore because of their weight, they come down as rainfall. The further corrections are from page number 67. Question number 1, that is choose the correct option. Question 10, correct answer is option D. Question 11, correct is C. For question 12, C. For 13, A. For 14, D. For 15, A. For 16, D. For 17, A. And lastly for 18, the correct answer will be option C. These were from chapter 5. Moving ahead to chapter number 10, page number 112, 112, question number 14, 14. We will add the examples of water supply, electricity, drainage system, and other basic facilities. Page number 112, question number 15. The answer has to be changed as follows. The people who have migrated do not always find employment in the cities, which makes them practice crime for easy money. Hence, the crime increases. Page number 122. Question number 7 to be removed. And page number 122 again, question number 8 also to be removed. So these were the corrections from chapter urbanization. Moving ahead, chapter number 9. We have question number 14 on page number 101. What does the term import mean? Answer, or rather the question has to be changed to, what does the term export mean? I repeat, question has to be changed to, what does the term export mean? Page number 104, question 2.12. The answer has to be changed as follows. Advertisements affect us. Not everyone possesses knowledge about every product available. However, seeing others buy products or when we see advertisements about it, we inquire about the same and purchase it. This is possible only because of marketing. Good marketing thus promotes business. So these were the corrections from chapter 9 trade, and this ends or rather brings us to the end of the corrections to be made in our geography notes. Thank you so much and all the best.